Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Today we are doing the blindfolded slime challenge. This is my dad.
Hello.
You ever made slime?
I have never made slime.
So first, pick either clear or white glue. We have some accessories. And we have food coloring, paint, shampoo, pom-poms, beads, cornstarch foam beads, sequins, all that stuff. This will be our blindfolds, so you won't know what you're using or what you're making. So, lastly, you're going to add your activator.
So wait, am I putting the glasses on and then grabbing stuff?
Yeah. First you grab glue, then some paints, and then extra add-ins.
How much glue am I putting in here?
Just until you want to stop.
Until I want to stop. Okay.
Okay.
I can't see anything.
Okay.
So how do I know what I'm putting in? I just reach?
Yeah. 3, 2,
Oh, sorry.
1, 0. Okay. Is the clear glue over here?
Haha, I think I got it. And how do I know how much glue I'm putting in?
I'm gonna wait until you're done.
Is any glue getting in there? No? Did I not take the top off or something?
Yeah, there's like a little thing on the clear glue.
Oh, that's what I gotta do?
Mm-hmm. Wait.
And oh, it's going in there now. I'm probably using too much. Oh,
It's
I used a lot.
Do you know where the bottle is? Okay.
There's that. And then I do my activator.
Paints, whatever you want to add in. Oh my gosh, I don't know how many trays to add in. Oh.
So how do I know? This feels empty, dude. Feel this.
Just pick a new one. Right here. I can hand you
Oh, what the?
bucket.
Okay, this one feels like it's got some stuff in it.
Yeah.
Here's the bucket back. Oh my goodness.
Spray it in.
No, maybe I gotta loosen it or something. Feels like it's got a cap on it. What the frick? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's going everywhere.
I don't know what color I just picked, but
Yeah, how are we supposed to? So what do we do after this?
glitter or like pom-poms.
Yeah, glitter. Let's do some glitter.
Pack of glitter. Yes. Ziploc.
There's a Ziploc on this?
Yes.
What the?
Okay.
Okay. Do you want some of this or no?
No thanks.
Alright.
I think that's
So
like
now I need the activator.
Yes, it's in that like glass bottle.
Okay. What? Slowly, what?
Like little by little and
Stir?
stir, yeah.
There's one thing stir. It's coming out. Sure does sound like it, huh?
Yes.
Here, I'm passing it to you. I could not tell you where the top is. Alright. How long do you typically stir until it's ready?
Like clear glue is much harder, so like 3 minutes. Maybe.
Well, then why did we use clear glue?
You chose clear glue.
My straw is not a good stir.
You can put it down and just like use your hand.
Okay. Oh my goodness, I put my hands in there. Oh dude, what the?
Oh no, it's like kind of all over my hands. We do have a tarp on the floor just in case.
Well, how am I supposed to stir this up, man? I'm trying here. Oh, that's getting better. I think I put too much of something in there. Maybe I need
Too much?
more activator or something.
Wait, is it like sticky?
It's too slimy.
Here, wait, let me see.
It's getting stickier though.
Okay. It should be getting less sticky, but not too stiff.
Oh, I'm stirring it, dude, with my hands. Isn't that what you're supposed to do?
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, it's very liquidy still.
Basket.
Well, the basket that was next to me?
Yeah.
Alright, let me see. I can only use this hand. Oh, shoot.
Stuff to add or something.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Mine is all crazy looking. That's some good old slime right there. But I could sell this batch for at least 20 bucks.
Mine is like a dark blue
Yeah, yours
color.
came out the way it's supposed to come out.
Okay, I'm like knocking stuff up.
Oh, you try to get. Oh man, I made a lot more
Do
than
you
you.
need some more activator?
Do I?
Yes.
All right, activate it. Oh, dude, this is like getting crazy. A little more, you think? Activator in there.
Here's my slime. It's just like dark blue color. On camera it kind of looks purple, but
Man.
we kind of picked the same color scheme. Do you need some more?
Oh, you tell me, man.
My bowl?
Nice and clean.
His bowl?
Hey, man, this is my first time. Oh, but it's getting better.